Hello, welcome to Survey Club. We are a research recruitment platform that companies use to find out what consumers think about their products and services. They're willing to pay consumers like yourself for your opinion on various products. This helps these companies improve their services for the general public. Your feedback helps them make more money, so they're willing to pay for your opinions. As a Survey Club member, you'll have the ability to earn money completing surveys online from home. Companies all over the world need Survey Club and its members so they can make critical business decisions. Keep in mind that it's 100% free to join. To get started, simply click on the link below. You will then be taken to the account creation screen. Fill out your information on this page, and then click the Get Free Access button. You'll then be taken to the Tell Us About Yourself page. This page is where you will provide us with important details about yourself, which will help Survey Club identify studies that meet the demographic you provided. Based on the information you provide, Survey Club will be able to match you up with specific companies willing to pay you based on that information. Once you've completed this page, click the Submit Your Profile and go to Step 2 button. The next page is the Make Money with Panels page. We connect you with specific companies who will pay you. We suggest registering with a minimum of 3 to ensure you receive enough surveys to earn substantial money with us. Each company has been reviewed by the Survey Club team. You can be confident that they're all legitimate. Registration is 100% free, and it will only take a few minutes to register for each panel. The more panels you register with, the higher your potential earnings will be. Just make sure to check your inbox for confirmation emails from the companies that you sign up with so you can begin receiving payment. Once you've signed up for a few panels, click the button below that says Go to Step 3. You're ready to browse through a list of available paid surveys. Click on the button that says See All Available Studies to see a list of paid studies currently in your account. Thank you for visiting our page, and we thank you for being a member of Survey Club.